Yo guys, welcome to the channel. This is my very first video, and I'm super hyped to have you here. Now listen, this channel is going to be different. We're not doing coding the boring old way, typing for hours, memorizing syntax, and stressing over semicolons. That's outdated. Here, we code with the power of AI. I'm talking ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, the smartest tools on the planet that make coding faster, easier, and honestly, way more fun. Our whole mission is simple: copy, paste, build. That's the new era of programming. And today, to kick things off, we're starting with the most legendary program ever made, Hello World. Why? Because every coder, no matter how big, once started here. And now, so are we. Alright, let's do it. Here's the code: print Hello World. That's it. One single line. I didn't write it, I didn't memorize it. AI gave it to me. I pasted it here, and boom, done. Now let's run it. And there it is on the screen. Hello World. Simple, clean, and proof that we just ran our very first Python program powered by AI. But fam, this is just the beginning. From here, we're going to build projects, apps, games, automations, even AI tools themselves, all without wasting time writing boring lines of code. If you're ready to learn coding the smart way, join me on this journey. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's make coding fun again with the help of AI. Alright guys, that's it for today's video.